Hello students, hope you all are fine. So let's continue with the long journey of narration. In narration, we had covered present tense, past tense, and yes, today it's time to cover the future tense. So let's start with that. So student, talking about the direct speech which will be in future tense, you will have to take care of these things first, that will or shall, it will convert into would, maybe will convert into might, and can we may convert into could. So again, to the examples I am telling you, so let's start with that. Your very first example of the direct narration in future tense. He said, I shall do this work. Now you will have to change it. How will you make its indirect speech? He said that he, I will convert into he, shall will convert into would. He would do, and this will convert into that work, like this. So this I am talking about the first example. Now the next one. So our next sentence will be here. She said to me, comma, inverted comma begin, my father will attend the meeting. Actually, there are no fixed rules like we had done in past and present tense earlier. I had divided those tenses into past perfect, continuous, similarly present perfect. These are the general rules which I had told you in the beginning, that will, shall will change into would, maybe will change into might, and can will change into could. So the future tense will continue on the basis of these only. So that's why I'm just telling you these examples in general. So yes, how will we change it? Because set 2 is there. So she told me that her father, if will is there, so definitely will change into would attend the meeting. So students, the previous two examples I had given to you, those are of shall and will. Now see, the example of can. If sentence will be like this. She said, I can do this work. So yes, can will convert into could. So change it. This is the easy one. She said that she could do, this will change into that, and then work. Again there is a similar kind of sentence like he said to me, comma, inverted comma begin, you can not run fast. So how will we convert it? He told me that I, second person pronoun is there, so that's why I could not run fast. Easy? Now let's move to the next one. Now students, few of the examples are there if any direct speech is having may. For example, they said, he may come today. So yes, as I have told you in the beginning only, that may will change into might. So how will you convert that? They said that he might come today will change into that day. Likewise, we have another example. She said to me, comma, inverted comma begin, you may go now. So how it will be changed? She told me that I might go, and now will change into then. So likewise students, we use the future tense here in direct and indirect narration. Now students will move to the universal truth, and wherever we will find the universal truth in narration, there will be no change. Like if you have a sentence like that, the teacher said the sun rises in the east. So now see here, this sentence is a universal truth. So we can't change, not the tense, not anything there. So it will be simple to change. How will you change that into indirect? The teacher said that, we'll have to make a simple sentence. The sun rises in the east. So what we had done here, we had just used connector for using the reporting and reported speech. That's it. And everything will remain same. Similarly, one more example will be there of universal truth, like he said. If any such kind of sentences will be there, honesty is the best policy. So again a universal truth, there will be no change. He said that honesty is the best policy. So students, this we had done the tense wise narration. In our next video, we'll continue with the narration of interrogative sentences, then imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. So we will continue now sentences wise. So here our tense wise narration is over. Students, we had done the narration of present tense, past tense and future tense. amongst all, the future tense is the easiest one. Apart from that, I have told you about the universal truth also, that these are easy to change. There will be no change actually, just will have to use the connector. And yes, tenses wise our narration is over now, but now we'll have to continue with sentence wise. And I have told you that different kind of sentences will be changed into indirect speech differently, so there will be slight changes in the rules also. But yes, tenses were important, so I had covered that first. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.